A proposed housing plan in Madison is plagued with flooding and traffic concerns. The development would rezone Anderson Lane to allow for 60 housing units. News 2's Sophia Radebau has more from residents resisting the plan in tonight's neighborhood news. Sophia.
Hey there, Bob. Well, this proposal hasn't been fully approved, but some living in the area hope it gets scrapped altogether. Metro leaders who like the plan say more housing will help Nashville's growing needs for housing. The properties along Anderson Lane are currently zoned for medium density residential, but the property owner wants to rezone that land to allow for more density. The rezoning would also allow for more flexibility for developers, and it's not subject to traditional land use and design standards. Madison residents like Paul Hebert claim it will rip apart the area's only wooded area, making flooding and traffic worse.
So the runoff from across the street goes under the street and into that wooded area. So that's like, well, what's going to happen to all that? I live 2 houses down from the wooded area, and my yard's flooded as it is every time it rains.
And community leaders are planning to meet with neighbors to talk about this issue. A meeting is set for January 26th at Yazoo Brewing Company to discuss this development. Back to you, Bob.